Values. In computer programming, variables are used as empty boxes that we can name and assign a value to use as subjects in our code. As all things are different from one another, to store or work we use different methods. Similarly, to store different type values, different variables are used. The value that we assign to a variable can be anything from a measure of its weight, height, length, or its number count to even its color, a question, a response, or some other property of its nature. Types of values. Since anything can be a value for a variable, there are a few set types of values that help us define what they represent. The following are the types of values that we can enter in coding. Integers, int. Integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or 0. For example, 1, 2, 4, 0, 67, 45, minus 89, minus 132, etc. As it can be both positive or negative, they can be used to show an increase or decrease of a variable. For example, temperature, sea level, speed limit, etc. Float. Floats are numbers that are written with a decimal point in them. For example, 3.4, minus 432.6, 3.14, 0.5, 4.0, etc. We can show an approximate result showing using float numbers. Boolean, bool. Boolean kind of variables have only two values, true or false. We can verify any kind of statement or condition in a code using a Boolean command. We can give our code a direction as it can be programmed to act differently for different outcomes. Users can check for conditions and let the code to act automatically. String, str. Strings are a sequence of one or multiple characters like alphabets, numbers, or symbols. They can be used to declare names, addresses, or descriptions of variables. Any character or set of characters under quotation marks is considered as strings. For example, ball, good luck, 456, C@DE, 3563 apple, etc.